pretend to punch you. I punch Avery.
Second generation Genesis, except it's a speaker
I
strobe.
can actually punch harder.
Very different fire lettering from the more modern Genesis speaker strobes because it's the older either Helvetica or Helvetica, I think it's pronounced, or the Protestant. I don't know which is which because they're similar typefaces.
Take your shoes. Take your shoes. Jayla, take your shoes. Take your shoes. Throw it on the pond. Take your shoes and throw it on the pond. Did you guys just see that guy got shot on the air this way?
It is set on 15 Candela, little G right there for the Genesis series. 1 watt for the speaker. And this is supposed to be a G4RF-S2VM, but it's a G4R. Yeah, oh yeah, wait a minute. It's G4RF-S2VM. Okay, that's one thing Edwards got right, huh? Because I've actually noticed some Genesis speaker strobes of this era that actually were G4RS2VMs, but also had the fire lettering cover, which should not be happening, obviously, but at least, yeah. Second generation because it has the black back and it has the EST logo. It has a date code of 50. Where is it? It has a date code of 51st week of 2002, roughly after when I was born. That's the second to last week of December, if for when I was told. So, thank you for watching.